If you have issues with your Bluetooth device not working properly on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, what you can do is, first of all, we can go to settings, and of course we're gonna go to Bluetooth. So if you have your Bluetooth device enabled right now, it's turned on and it is supposed to be connected, but it's not, then what you can do is you can turn off your Bluetooth device, and then we're gonna also turn off Bluetooth. We're gonna turn Bluetooth back on, there we go. And then of course we can turn on our Bluetooth device once again as well. And then you can of course check if the device is connected to your phone straight away. That is of course if your device was connected in the past as well. If you didn't pair the device yet, then of course this can also be quite helpful. And of course remember to use the pairing button. So if your Bluetooth device has a pairing button or pairing mode, you want to of course activate it to make sure that new device can connect to your Bluetooth device. Also remember that after a short time this refresh option appears right next to the available devices text on the top of the list, which you can use in order to refresh the list of available devices, which can be of course also helpful when trying to pair a new device. Another thing that you can do is of course just completely unpair the device. So if you had that device connected, or if it's safe in here, then of course you should be able to unpair the device. And once you unpair, you can of course just turn off your Bluetooth device again, turn it back on, once again try to pair it, so use the pairing button if possible, and then of course refresh the list optionally, and then you should be able to choose your Bluetooth device as long as it appears. Another thing that is worth mentioning is sometimes even if you had the connection before with this phone, but then you connect it to another device and you want to switch back to this phone, you might still need to use the pairing button. So in my case, actually, the device does not appear right now, but let's try to refresh again. And also if the device doesn't want to show up, you might want to refresh it even twice, or you might want to turn off the Bluetooth device, turn it back on, and make another attempt to pair the device with your POCO smartphone. And of course, if you do not have the pairing button, just make sure that the device is not connected to anything else. You might also want to unpair your Bluetooth device and remove it from other devices, if that is of course possible. And if not, you can just perform the factory reset of your Bluetooth device. Now, unfortunately, I cannot really show you and tell you how to do that with your Bluetooth device, because every Bluetooth device has its own way to hard to reset all the settings and pairings and so on and so forth. But this is what you might want to do in order to make sure that there is no device connected to your Bluetooth device. Another thing that you can do is you can go back to settings on your phone, then we can proceed to more connectivity options, and then in here we have reset Wi-Fi, networks, and Bluetooth, which is an option that we can use quite easily. However, there are some disadvantages of course, and that is that we cannot really separate these three options, these three connections. So you will reset Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth all at once, which also means that you will have to not only pair all your Bluetooth devices again, but also you will have to do the same thing with Wi-Fi. So you will have to connect to your Wi-Fi network again, and so on and so forth. So this is something that you need to keep in mind. And if you manage to reset these settings, if you decide to do so, of course you want to go back to Bluetooth and just perform the pairing process once again to see if now it works. Also, sometimes simple restarting or rebooting of the device can also be quite helpful, so don't forget to do that if everything fails. Sometimes a simple restart of the device can do the trick as well. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.